Today, I'm going to show you how to make custom thumbnails for free, and we're going to start right now. How's it going, everybody? You can call me Harry. Welcome to another video. This is your first time here and you're looking to grow as a content creator with me? Consider subscribing down below to watch any other videos I post to help you, or if you just want to sit back and relax and watch some video games, go watch some of my other videos. Okay, now let's get to the important part of the video, why you actually came here. First things first, I need you to take a picture of yourself. It could be on your smartphone device, it could be on your web camera that you're on, whatever you feel most comfortable on. Then I need you to pose in a variety of different ways. So you could be pointing like this or like that, because I've found from researching other YouTubers that most people like thumbnails that have your face on it, because it shows that you're an actual real person instead of just some, boring thing or a random picture on there. But if you have your picture there, then the viewers can relate to you. So yeah, take a picture of you, like I said, posting in variety of poses. So do a little fashion show, show your little thing, whatever kind of things you want to have on there, and then I'll show you what we're going to do after that. All right, now we have our photo that you took, or photos. Have you do? So here's my photo I took here, pointing up, nothing too crazy. So next we're going to end up going to our web browser. I'm going to have you type in Removal.ai, free website you can use, and you can just, what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna grab our handy dandy file, we're gonna drag it in, it'll do its thing, start loading up, takes our little outline of us, so we no longer have the background, because we didn't want the background because it's just gonna look tacky if we just have this trashy background like I have in my office right now. So then you're gonna download your photo. Great. So then once we have our photo all removed, great, removed. It's not a great picture with all the light on me, but all right, we're just using this for a demo. So next thing I'm gonna have you do is go to Canva. This is a great website. You can use it for making all kinds of templates, video editing things, all kinds of crazy stuff. I've done it, used it for, school projects. I've done it for YouTube stuff. Like I've done it for Instagram things. It's a great thing. So it's a free thing. They also have a paid version, which I'm experimenting with myself right now, and it's actually pretty worth the money. I can also show you some other cool things that it offers as well. But till then, we're gonna go to, once you're all signed in with your profile, you're gonna go create design, custom design. What I'm gonna have you type in is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Type that in right up here. Great. Then we have a new template. Great. So first things first, we're gonna go uploads. You can see that I've posted all kinds of pictures, funny pictures and whatnot for my other thumbnails. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna go upload. You got your test picture that you're gonna end up putting. Boom. Oops, hold on. That was the one. So this is the one that I originally had out the background, or with the background. So that would look super tacky if I was going to end up putting it on a picture and whatnot, and say we added a background of just something basic. So if we had this, that would look super bad. So we're going to remove that. Upload. Our downloads. There we go. This is our updated one. We have the original, and then here is our one with the background removed. So look at that. Boom. We are in here. You can do all kinds of things. You can make yourself bigger, you can make it smaller, but this is Great, we're on here. But another effect you can do on Canva is say if you wanted to buy the extra thing to use all their other stuff. So here's my original photo, right? You can go to effects, and they also have a remover as well. I really like their remover. It's super clean as well. Comes out a little better quality too. It's like super high quality because you can even tell the difference. This one to this one, like this one still looks pretty decent, but this one's just a higher quality picture, you know? So if you do want to go to the paid version, you know, I would recommend doing this, or even just doing the trial like I'm doing right now. Mess around, see if it's worth the money, and maybe it will be potentially worth the money, especially if I end up posting lots of videos like this. This would be great to do that. So anyways, you got your original photo. Great. Then pick out some form of background. I would say just something simple. You can, if you have something more elaborate, or if you just want to mess around finding something like, ooh, look at this, in some chocolate hearts. Maybe you're making a Valentine's type video or whatever. But for the sake of this, we're just going to do something basic. So look at that. We'll even go a little bit more fancy. We got the starlight and whatnot. It actually kind of looks really good with the light beaming down below on the screen, and then the light on my arm. That actually works pretty well. So from here, we can just do some basic things. So say you're making a video on, I don't know, let's say a how-to video, just like this. So we can just do something basic, have a little background, just like basic white, then top elements. We'll just do a couple of these. Here, you can edit this as much as you need to, but as for this video purpose, we're just gonna, you know, something stupid. This lighter one, black. That looks pretty clean with those that. So next, I would recommend using something very simple. You may want to try and go something really crazy like this. This stands out, but half the time people are not going to take it as serious. So I would recommend just doing something super simple. So if that's in just typical, just like Oswald, you know, something simple like this, you know. Also change the color. How to make this as elaborate as you need. Called funny videos on YouTube. Now, you can make this as simple or as complex as you want to, but for this, so you mess with it as much as you need to. But yeah, see, something just like this. It's super simple, but make it super bold though too. So you want to also look, so if you mess around with this, you can upload it later onto YouTube and whatnot. Make your little thing, make all your adjustments, make it as big. Also, maybe even go to YouTube. So say, how to make funny videos thumbnail. See if anyone has anything. But you could even get ideas, like say, look, I had a basic one that was kind of similar to this guy's. You know, it has your picture, it has, you know, a big font, very clear, nothing too extravagant. And then maybe a couple little things here and there. He has some picture, little smaller thumbnails, and then a YouTube thing. Something simple, but it's super eye-catching. And look, he has like a 97% score of people enjoying it and whatnot. So try something simple like that. update your thing, adjust it as much as you need to, and then once you're done, you're gonna download it, but you want to download it into a JPEG because it's gonna be a smaller file, because for your thumbnail on YouTube, you can't post a super high quality big file because they just won't post it on there. So once you do that, you're gonna download your JPEG and download that. Then we'll move to the next thing. All right, next thing I want to have you do is go to your YouTube. Be on the profile that you want to end up uploading your thumbnail and what. So you'll click on your little icon at the top. We're going to go to YouTube Studio. This will take us to our channel dashboard, which you have all your information you need for uploading and learning all your analytics and things like that. So there's a couple things that we can do for adding this thumbnail. One is you can just go to upload videos, upload the video that you were gonna end up having for that thumbnail. Or you can upload a video that you had and then you didn't have your thumbnail at the time. You can upload your video, plug in all the information you need to, and then we can upload the thumbnail after. So say you already had your video uploaded. You go to your content page next. Then we're gonna go into a video. So say this video right here, I have uploaded earlier. We'll go to details. Boom. I don't have a thumbnail for this. So have my video, you click upload thumbnail. Then you go wherever you have your thumbnail that you created, and then boom, it'll pop and upload it onto right there. So it's easy as that. So you can also mess around with this as much as you need to. So say you had a thumbnail and you created a video and you just feel like your video wasn't doing so great. You can mess around, make a new thumbnail, see what other people are doing on their pages, but fiddle around with it. Test out different ones, maybe a different picture of yourself or different wording or things like that. So try out all those, but pretty simple to upload the thumbnail, create your own, and do it for free. If you have any questions or concerns or anything like that, comment down below and let me know.